Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with Dharmaveer. In the previous video, we have talked about worst case analysis, best case analysis, average case analysis. Now, this video is going to be important because we are going to discuss why Java for DSA. So let's get started here. And this video is going to be very important because we are going to discuss why Java for DSA. So stay tuned, stay connected. uh, we are going to compare Java with C++, Python. So Java versus C++ versus Python. Introduction, we are going to talk about which language should somebody choose. This is a very common question. People are confused whether should I choose Java for DSA, C++ for DSA, or Python for DSA. Somebody says that C++ is fastest. Python, someone says that Python is easy, and more are confused about the Java. So in this video we are going to talk this from real interview perspective. So let's get started here. No, interviewer does not select you on the basis of the language. They just select you on the basis of your problem solving, clarity, and correctness. So language is just a tool, but it is very important to make the language tool with a very wise selection so that your learning becomes easy. So why language choice matters? Because your speed of writing code depends upon the language, your code readability depends upon the language, your bug probability depends upon the language, and your confidence too depends on the language which you choose. So that's why you have to choose the language very wisely. So here's a quick overview regarding the we'll compare Java, C++, and Python on the basis of learning curve, DSA suitability, interview comfort, and industry usage. So let's get started here with the first reason. Um, Balance of speed, so and safety. When we talk about Java is fast enough and safe enough. So it is faster than Python and safer than C++ because in uh, Java we don't have pointers, no memory leaks. So it's that Java lets you to focus on the logic instead of focusing on memory bugs like that. So here is that reason two is that clean and readable code. So interviewer basically loves the clean and readable code. uh, Java has strong typing and clear class structure, so easy to explain the logic as well. So if your code is readable, then your confidence is higher in the interview. So that's what is. Reason 3 is rich standard library. Java has inbuilt libraries which makes a DSA very easier. You have collection classes in that in that you have array list, hash map, hash set, priority queue. You have other methods, collection dot sort as well. So it's very you are having a ready-made libraries so that you can use it in your programs. And reason for is industry demand. Java is very heavily used in industry, in backend systems, enterprise application, large scale distributed systems. So most of the interview panels generally prefer Java for their interview. So if you compare Java versus C++, then C++ strength is that is it is extremely fast, fine grained control, STL is powerful. But the problems here with C++ is that C++ can distract the beginners. So because of the pointer, memory management, segmentation faults, the programmer can be get distracted. So if your one pointer bug is there, and it can ruin your whole application as well. So that is the biggest drawback of the C++. Now, if the final verdict on C++ versus Java is that if you're compatible with C++, it's great. But most of the learners Java is safer and cleaner choice, right? Now, if we compare Java versus Python, from interview point of view, the Python strengths are basically it's very expressive, less code is required there, easy syntax, great for rapid prototyping, but there are a lot of limitations of Python. Python can hide complexity, slower runtime is also a problem, indentation mistakes, harder to explain the memory behavior. So sometime interviewer may ask you to optimize the Python code as well, right? So final verdict on Java versus Python is that Python is excellent for learning, but Java is better for long term interview preparation. So what interviewer actually expects? He expects basically a correct logic, optimal time complexity, clean explanation of the code, edge case handling in your coding. They don't care if you choose C, plus plus or Java, but they do care if you have a good understanding in what you wrote. So, perspective is that you are expected to write a production quality code using the OOPS principle, write a maintainable solutions. Important here is that Java shines here. So, all these things you can easily do in Java programming. So final recommendation is that if you ask me one language for DSA in 2026 is that the Java is the best and balanced choice. Recommended path is start as a beginner with Java. Intermediate level is basically Java plus your problem solving. You should do problem solving. Then advanced level is that any language plus system thinking. So final motivation is that language does not crack the interview, your thinking does. Choose Java for master DSA and interviews will be very predictable. So the final note is that Java wins everywhere for DSA as well. So if this video helped you to understand a little, please like this video, subscribe the video for the DSA series, press bell icon for getting the latest notification of the DSA series videos. Till then, it's happy coding from Code with Dharmaveer. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video.